Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Shantanu Ghate and my team members are Jaideep Chile, Manjush Nikam and Dhaval Durve. We are from Zeal College of Engineering and Research Institute, studying in first year Mechanical Engineering Department. For our PBL activity 2, we have made a demonstration model of fire protection sprinkler system by centrifugal pump. Now we will see the demo of our project. The main purpose of our project is to protect any home or any industry from the accidental fire. So this is the domestic model of our fire protection system. This is water well, which is water supply. This is battery, which is power supply. And here we can see a neon sensor and a water sprinkler. When fire will accidentally start, it will tend to hit the neon sensor. The neon sensor will complete the circuit and the pump will automatically start and fire will be completely extinguished. Now here we will see the demo of our system. Now here we will put one candle as a fire source. Now after burning of fire, the neon sensor hits and now you can see the small sprinkler which will supply force of water to extinguish this fire. Now here we will put one candle as a fire source. Now after burning of fire, the neon sensor heats. Now here you can see a small sprinkler which will supply a force of water to extinguish this fire. Now there will be an automatic supply of water from centrifugal pump as circuit get completes. Hence, the fire is completely extinguished. So at last, I would like to thank our guide, Professor A.K. Gaikar, for their valuable guidance in this project, and we would also like to thank Zeal College of Engineering and Research Institute for their financial support. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.